Now we are going to start session number 2, save, open and close a spreadsheet. So in this package we'll learn saving a spreadsheet. So firstly we need to type any data in a spreadsheet like a serial number, name, class and section. Okay, so there are some data we are typing: serial number 1 2 3 4 5 and name of the students like Pawan Kumar, Sanjay Singh, okay, and like Mukul Sarma and Karan Singh and like Sanjana. Okay, so after that we need to type some class like they all are in a class 9th, so we can type here 9 and suppose the section, so according to like section A, B, C and A and B. So we have done some data here in the sheets, and after that we can apply some formatting like background color, font, and we can apply some border on the text. Then we can see the our data is look like attractive. Then click on the office button, okay, and we have a save as dialog option. Now there is a save button on the quick access toolbar. Office button, then save as. Now we can see a save as dialog box will appear on the computer screen. Now we can set the location where you want to save the file. Okay, suppose that I want to save that file on the desktop. Now we can type the file name on the file name box, okay, like ABCD, and after that we can click on the save button. Now we can see in the title bar the file name is appearing or displaying on the title bar, that is a ABC.